Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about modern wall design ideas for living room. Discover the impact of shapes in transforming your living room. Start by crafting an eye-catching focal point with a geometric accent wall. Option for a subtle color scheme and employ painter tape to achieve crisp lines. Whether you are prefer square, triangle or hexagon, the design is entirely up to you. This uncompleted yet elegant approach introduces depth and visual allure to your living space. Elevate your room aesthetic effortlessly with this DIY friendly project. Choose colors that resonate with your style and watch as your living room undergoes a chic makeover. It is a simple and effective way to infuse modern flair into your home. Introducing floating shelves, a simple and stylish solution to showcase your crashed memories and decor in your living room. Easily install sleek minimalistic shelves on your wall to create a personalized gallery. The beauty lies in its versatility, mix and match framed photos, plants, and art pieces for a dynamic and ever changing display. Not only it is a practical storage solution, but it also adds a touch of modern flair to any space. So whether you are into a clean, minimal look or a more electric style, floating shelves are the perfect way to cater your favorite things. Upgrade your living room effortlessly with these customized and trendy design ideas. Transform your living room with textured 3D wall panels for a touch of luxury. These panels available in wood or gypsum offer versus patterns to suit your style. Not only do they look fantastic, but they also bring a tactile feel to your walls. The best part, installing them is a breezy, making it a perfect DIY friendly option for a weekend project. You can easily enhance your space with a sophisticated and modern touch without breaking the bank. Choose the pattern and materials that resonate with your taste, and in no time you will have a chic living room that reflects your style. Elevate your home decor effortlessly with these stylish and easy to install 3D wall panels. Add a touch of magic to your living room with an umber wall. Umber is a cool painting trick. Whether one color smoothly transition into another, you can pick claim colors for a peaceful vibe on go bold with bright ones for an energetic feel. It is budget friendly way to bring modern art to your space, creating a beautiful visual effect. Just imagine your wall going from light to dark or one color merging into another. It is like a painting masterpiece in your own home. So if you want an easy and stylish upgrade, consider trying out the umber wall technique. It's simple, affordable, and add a whole new level of charm to your living space. Finally, let's talk about mirrors. Mirrors do more than show your reflection, they make your space look bigger. Imagine covering a whole wall with mirror panels in your living room. This simple trick brings in depth and brightness. It is like magic, especially in small or dim room. Mirror reflecting lights making the room feel spacious and lively. So if you want to your space to look bigger and brighter without major changes, try this timeless mirrors illusion. It is an easy way to transform your living room and keep it feeling fresh. Don't forget, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for using in. So There you have it, 5 modern wall design ideas to elevate your living room to a while new level. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of focus, don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.